Question everything, trust nothing. It's your boys, Keeper and Crusader, here for another episode of Crypto Wars. Crusader, what's up?
What's going on, man? It's another day here surviving on the battlefield.
Dude, I got my Battlefield long sleeve t-shirt on today. I'm feeling kind of funky, I gotta admit. I'm not showing any skin today, so for all the 8 ladies watching, you know what I'm saying, I'm sorry. Okay. Don't mean to disappoint people. Okay, that's not true at all. It's 8 guys that are tired of seeing me without a freaking shirt on. It's okay. All right. So everybody, it is a Wednesday afternoon. We got a lot of fun stuff that we're going to do today. Listen, part of the stream, right? You guys see a lot of trading. You see a lot of that action going on, but we also want to educate you as the money is coming into crypto, which is happening right now. So we've got some educational opportunities, some new stuff that we're going to touch on, probably play a little bit of flip or hodl as well. And I want to remind everybody, super chats are open. If you want to be on that wheel, there's going to be $2,900 available for the next time that we play flip or hodl. So I'm excited about that as well. Let's see here.
Discord is open, guys.
Oh, yeah,
making some
Discord's
changes
open.
as we go. Made some changes last night. Things might look a little bit different, but yes, the Discord is open. Jumping in there, we got a portfolio chat. We got different chats going on. People jumping in for flip and hodl. People are jumping in for trading wars. Make sure you jump into the Discord. Let's get in there. Let's make some money this bull run.
Yeah, and then NFTs, guys, as a reminder, the NFTs are 0.1 Ethereum. There is the QR code if you guys are interested in those. The NFTs are dope. If you get mine or Crusaders, it's going to bring you on to Flip or Hodl automatically. Like I said, the number's up to $2,900. You also get 25% of the mint. You get whatever the winning trader offers, and on top of that, you get to come on for Flip or Hodl. So there is tons and tons of
somebody already has mine. So whoever you are out there, make sure you jump into the Discord. Let's get you verified that you have it, and we can keep you in touch. That way we can bring you onto the show.
Yeah, for sure. So like I said, lots to go over today. Let's kick it off. Let's check out the markets as we would normally in the old school days. Let's see what's going on here as we continue to change things up on the show. We still got to keep you up to track or up to date on the markets. All right, so the global market cap's at 1.43 trillion with the T dollars. That is, let me make sure this is updated. It says it's up 2.72%, but I almost feel like this is acting slow. Let me do that one more time. There we go. Yep. Up 2.7. Bro, is this right? Because it says Bitcoin's down.
Bitcoin's slightly down.
Yeah, I'm just looking at
slightly.
Yeah, so Bitcoin's down a little bit, 37,860, 2,037 for ETH down a little bit. But just usually when Bitcoin's down, it seems like the whole market's down. Solana's up a few percent. Dogecoin's up. You know what? We got some altcoins making some moves here as we roll down through the top 20. Polkadot's up over 4%.
Yeah,
so maybe that's
exploding, dude. Altcoins have been doing big moves.
We're going to talk about some altcoins today. One of the things that I've talked about for a little while is utility tokens, things that actually change things as it relates to the what crypto actually does. And we've got one in particular that we're going to talk about today. So stand by for that. Let me say hello in the chat real quick. Who's up in the chat? So the first one I see, and again, apologize guys in advance. Sometimes somebody gets in there over on YouTube and I don't see it, but Gazgano says, what's up, y'all? Gazgano, thank you for being the first one in. We appreciate you. Terpene Hunter, Enrique Suave, that's a great name right there. Raynon Zuniga, Patrick Leichman, Swashbuckling Scallywag, I always like that name. Crypto Pollo in the house. We got Crypto Blood in the house. Hold on a second. Shout out to my boy Blood. We need to chat, bro. I got a couple things I want to fire past you. I'll give you a call after the stream or something. Green Day Profits in the house. And is that everybody? Oh, can't miss David Brumbelow. David and I already said Green Day Profits. So glad to see everybody. Let's kick it off. Do we want to start off educationally? Do we want to start off with some flip or hodl? How you want to kick this off? We didn't talk about the order today.
Yeah, let's just start off with the first article. I'm setting up some charts here for Ethereum and possibly some Bitcoin chart as well, setting it up in the background, and then we'll jump into flip and hodl as well.
Yeah, so one of the things that we've been talking about is we want to educate people. We don't just want to do the fun trading. We don't just want to do the flip or hodl. We want to be able to educate people as we move forward in the space. And there's a lot of really technical things that are opportunities in the space that all come, and again, we're not here to give financial advice. All of the stuff that we talk about comes with risk. Crypto markets come with risk. Stock market comes with risk. Any sort of investment, even a real estate investment, comes with risk. And so as long as you understand that, you can get creative with some of the things that you can do. One of the things that I didn't really have a really good grasp on, Crusader and I have talked about doing it in the past, but never have actually jumped into it. Actually, shout out to Bullish Trader. He was talking to me about this recently, is liquid staking. So liquid staking tokens are a hot ticket for 2024. And that's the extent of what I am going to say in regards to the article, because the article is, let me just be clear, really freaking confusing, and you guys are going to go to sleep on me. So let me kind of just explain to you what liquid staking does. Liquid staking versus when you stake, you are putting, let's just say Ethereum, you are locking it up and you have no use for it at that time. You are helping to validate the network. You are either running a node. There's some technical things that you're doing to help the network operate correctly. The problem with staking is exactly what I just said. It's locked up. You're not able to use those funds. They just sit there. Now, do you earn rewards for helping out the network? Sure you do, but you can't do anything with it. So what liquid staking does is and there's a bunch of different ways you can do it that get really freaking technical, but bottom line is this. It gives you the access. You are liquid while staking. So you have the ability to use, they basically create these, they call them LSTs, liquid staking tokens. And let's say you put 1,000 ETH on Lido, you'll get 1,000 ETH worth of LST, liquid staking tokens. And you can use those to purchase even so much as stable coins. I looked at a bunch of different use cases. You can leverage them on different platforms. You can buy different assets. All of those things come with risk, though. So be careful. Understand that anytime you're using leverage, you're going to have a point at which you're either going to get liquidated, aka margin called, if you've been coming over from the stock market. There's risk involved with it, but it does give you access to be able to use those while still holding on to your asset. So, Crusader, let me just ask you, this to me has been something that has felt a little bit risky because of the platforms. Lido has been a reliable platform, but then again, we also thought FTX was a reliable platform for a while too.
Yeah,
So
a
like
lot of people
for
thought
me, this
Luna
feels kind
was
of
reliable too.
yeah. How do you feel about this? I like the idea behind it. The premise behind it makes a whole lot of sense. Cool, I can stake, earn rewards, and be able to use my funds at the same time. But it almost to me sounds too good to be true.
Yeah, man, it's all good and dandy right now when the market is low. When the market gets hyped up and there's a crazy amount of liquidity being moved one day, one way, and then the other, that's where the problems come up, right? And like you were saying about Lido, there's got to be some level of pegging as well between the two different assets. And man, I've always been conservative when it comes to that aspect of putting things on other exchanges and other protocols and other whatever.
Uh-huh.
This is one of the things I like about Cardano. You hold Cardano, you can stake your Cardano, and it's still liquid to you, right? You can still buy. Obviously, if you use it, you sell it, whatever. You're obviously not going to be staking that same amount of Cardano anymore.
Yeah.
But you can hold custody of it while staking it, and it's not locked up in any kind of way. You just use it, and that's it. So this thing, I feel like it's Ethereum's way of trying to compete with that. I don't know if it's sustainable long term when the bull market gets wild. We've seen I think it was, what was it, ST, I think it was Lido. Yeah, I think it was Lido, ST ETH or whatever, deep
Yeah, that's
peg
the staking.
at one
Yeah.
point in the bear market for a slight period of time. So I'm always, obviously there's always risk, but there's also reward, right? The people that jump in there, I'm not saying you can't make money with it. Obviously you can. People use it. People, leverage their NFTs. People take out loans. People do all kinds of take advantage of all types of opportunities. Just know there's always risk when it sounds too good to be true, right? Like we talked about yesterday, it's usually not that great. Something could happen. So if you're using it, if you're going to, just don't put your whole bag in there. Don't throw all your ETH or whatever it is into it and say this is the greatest thing ever. I can use all my Ethereum and at the same time get yield. And be very strategic about how you spread out your Ethereum on different dApps, different places, different staking mechanisms. Be careful out there. You don't want to be stuck like in Celsius, right? Where people were putting all their money in and then they got stuck and then they couldn't get it out.
Yeah.
Just be careful. That's all I want to say.
And I'll be honest with you, it just scares me. It's not that I'm, there's a lot of people that are willing to take on a whole lot of risk, and with risk comes reward. That's a fact, right? Bullish was talking to me. I don't remember what the platform was, but Bullish messaged me about a great opportunity that we were going to talk to him about. But it is with liquid staking and the rewards that are coming and the amount of money that people were making and all of these great things. And those are all great. But because of my investment strategy, because of what I'm trying to do long term, only steak I'm messing with is eating steak. Yeah, well, Crusader is the king of eating steak. Side note, he definitely loves him some steak. Every time I catch him eating, he's eating steak.
Did you hear that, talking about steak, that now Congress is going to be calling upon Americans to consume less meat?
Oh, hold on a second. Because of global warming, climate change.
They didn't
That's
give
what
a
it said.
reason. They didn't give
No.
a reason.
I saw a thing that said that the United Nations was going to call on us to eat less meat because of global warming.
Oh, potentially, right? But I'm just saying, since the whole vegan movement started and people were like, I'm trying to save the animals, I've been eating double the meat.
Yeah,
whatever they're
right.
saving, I'm consuming it.
That's
for
right.
them.
That's right. I'm gonna go ham hock the other direction. Yeah. So ultimately, back to the staking, STAKING, not STA and not STEAK. The liquid staking for me sounds like a great opportunity. It sounds like, let's just say you've got 10 ETH, right? I'll use a small number, like well, it's not a small number. Sorry, if you got 10 ETH and you want to try it out with 1 ETH. Or something like that, like a small portion of your bag. You got 100 ETH and you want to do it with 10, whatever that looks like for you. Maybe it's something you check it out and see. But again, like Crusader said, putting your whole bag on there, that is absolutely, for me, not a chance, because my strategy is to continue to buy and hold over the long term for the price appreciation of the asset. Now, there's times where I'll take risk. There's assets that I'll get into that I'm either going to lose my ass on the asset or I'm going to do incredibly well. But again, that's money that I'm prepared to lose. And I think you kind of have to look at this maybe in the same, format. Like, am I willing to not have this Ethereum should this platform go sideways? Because somebody mentioned it in the chat, was talking about, hey, you're putting this onto some sort of a centralized, platform. They have to be earning a yield off of it to be able to pay you a yield, which means they're doing something that involves risk. So just be careful out there. But liquid staking is something, as we move forward, you're going to see more and more, and it is an opportunity. Just as long as you have your eyes open, educate yourselves, there's lots of different things you could do with it.
Want to hit this real quick. It says Illuvium signed on with Team Liquid. I don't know anything about that specifically, but I did talk about Illuvium in my most recent uploaded video of possible 10x cryptos to be looking out for. So if you haven't watched that yet, go watch it. It's the most recent upload. I uploaded it yesterday.
Oh yeah,
pretty interesting. It was my mid cap choice.
Liquid staking tokens can lose their peg to the original asset. I did read that as well. That's what
happened in the bear market.
That's right. That's exactly what happened. I want to check this out too. Tim B said, I staked probably 3,400 ADA over the last year and hold now only my staked ADA to grow approximately $2 gives me a nice profit. There's definitely opportunities all over the place. It's how much risk you're willing to get into.
Opportunities in Ethereum. Maybe we might jump into an ETH trade here. Let's jump into the chart here.
Okay, here we go. Hey, everybody, hold your breath. Here we go. We're going in.
So Ethereum's had an interesting day today. Went all the way up to its previous day high. 2075 has come down. Obviously broke through the week open, jumped, got rejected from the week open on the way back up, and has dropped all the way down here to the under the day range. Right, came back up to the pivot. Has been rejected now twice, and this is where the opportunity for this trade probably right 1, 2. So we jumped down to the 5-minute here. Right, if this VWAP band holds support and we have a little bit of a bounce, I would like to, if we go back to this pivot, hit that short one. Yeah, I would want it to see it hold the band. Right, it could do two things here. We could blast right through this band all the way to the bottom of this range, which would be a better entry for a long at that point. Or we bounce off this band, right, and go back towards this pivot, and then at that point in the 3-minute, 5-minute, whatever, I would probably jump into a short here and try to short it back down. I think we're kind of range bound between this pivot and this VWAP band here. But I'm going to be keeping an eye on it. I'm going to be keeping an eye on it throughout this. See, the 15-minute looks very bearish. Red dot kind of starting to pivot over here on ChartPrime as well. to come down to the downside. 5-minute does not look great either. Definitely has room to come down. 3-minute has been coming down, but you see the momentum wave here on the 3-minute starting to kind of crawl back around. Not saying that it can drop lower, definitely can, but the 1-minute, that's where the bullishness comes, right? That's where the bounce off this band. We got the reverse signal here on ChartPrime. The momentum wave is kind of starting to flip around. The VWAP here, the yellow line, starting to maybe cross over. We could see potentially a bounce here. I don't know how I feel about longing it at this point, just because all these other bigger time frames are so bearish.
Mm-hmm.
But if we do bounce from here to the 2039, 2038, would like to hit that little bit of a short here, back down. So I'll keep you guys updated.
Keep us updated on the trade. Smash the like if you haven't already, fam. We are looking for more and more people to also want to pull this up right quick. Follow us on Twitter. Let me make sure I'm on. Boom. Let me go to home, or actually our profile on Twitter. If you guys aren't following us on Twitter, make sure to do that. Crypto Wars OG. I will zoom in there. Crypto Wars OG. We have rebranded, as a lot of you probably already know. Make sure you're following us on Twitter. We give a lot of updates there. We'll let you know when streams are going live, etc. And yeah, just make sure to do that. And then have on the bell notification. It's a simple way to know that we are streaming. All right, cool. Let's move it on. We got some things going on with my girl ETH. There is a whale in the Ethereum network. Actually, hold on. Do you want to hit an article, or you want to start Flipper Hoddle?
Oh yeah, let me start that up.
So Flipper Hoddle, if you haven't seen it already, I know we've been talking about it a lot, but we're trying to give away money. It'll be $2,900 the next time we play. Somebody will have the opportunity to play, so we're going to kind of play throughout the stream today, just to show you guys. We're going to do that minus the questions, I'm assuming, today.
Yeah, definitely minus.
Yeah, we will have questions in between the different rounds of picking the cases. Want to throw that out there. We're definitely going to have, there's questions in between if you watch Bullish the other day, and those give you a multiplier opportunity to continue to earn more money. You don't lose any money on answering questions if you don't get them right, but if you do get them right, you get a multiplier on those 1 to 5% for each of them. So it could be a big number if if they win win or answer all the questions right. So actually it was 9% extra on the last one. Yeah, just unfortunately didn't end up with, it would have been an extra like 50 something bucks if we would have switched the case, but chat didn't want to switch the case. So chat, as he's pulling this up, start tossing in some numbers for us. I want to play that, and every dollar that you put in for super chats, guys, we've got a few names on the wheel right now, but not a lot. I'm gonna tell you that right now. We don't have a lot of names on the wheel right now, so the wheel's looking decently empty for that $2,900 opportunity. So just throwing it out there. Right. Remember, as the bigger number gets bigger, the smaller number gets bigger. I'm proposing maybe that the next time that we play with the 2,900, we make the small number like decent. Like, you know what I'm saying? I know we have the ability, like
2 pennies instead of 1 penny.
We're going up 2x, baby, up to 2 pennies.
That's right.
No, I think that we have the ability to make that number a little bit bigger. Just, I think it'd be, hey, we'll figure out the math. The math has got a math, obviously.
That's right. Oh man, we're getting the bounce. We're getting the bounce.
We're getting the bounce. Are you going to jump in? You're going to jump into the trade?
I was just thinking about jumping into the long, but I hesitated. I'm going to wait for the short opportunity. I'm going to wait for it to run up, and then see when it starts getting overbought, and then go for the short.
Crypto Gamer,
kind of missed it here.
Thank you for the super chat. I just put your name on the wheel 2 more times. Says, I swapped my ETH for Solana, faster and cheaper. Thought? Ooh.
A lot of people have been talking about that lately. A lot of people have been saying they're swapping all their ETH for Solana, right? Because Solana has more potential to run. Let's look at market caps here real quick, right? Let's do a quick little market cap share.
You pulling it?
Yeah, I'll pull it. I'll pull it up right here.
Man, you already know my opinion on it. I'm an ETH freaking.
I can understand,
son.
Right? I can understand, but dude, Solana's always breaking down. I don't know. I don't want to be holding so much money on a asset that barely is running. Right? Market cap here is $25 billion compared to ETH's 244 billion. So I can definitely see, right, where you could, hey, maybe this thing 10x's, 15x's, right, versus ETH, maybe it does like a 3x, maybe, right?
It's going to be more than a 3x.
I see that. I know. We're talking conservative. We're conservative, right? We can say Solana's gonna freaking 25x
Right.
from here, right? Yeah, but let's be somewhat realistic. It's not Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin can, but none of these can.
Yeah.
So 25 billion versus 244. There was people talking about Ethereum possibly hitting even $1 trillion market cap at its max if the Ethereum ETF gets approved in this next bull run. So I can see it, right? I can see why people would jump into Solana. Obviously, there's a lot of marketing dollars behind Solana, a lot of VC money. They're trying to prop this thing back up. They're trying to relaunch FTX again.
Yeah.
So they're trying to do a lot of different things, and Solana could be a prime leader. I know Solana got a new leader recently after the big breakup.
Solana got a new leader. Shout out to Ben Armstrong. Just real quick, Jimmy Bitcoin. Jimmy Bitcoin said $2 super chat. I got you on the wheel, Jimmy. Thank you for the super chat. And then Robert Hole, we will answer your question in just a second, but I've got you both on there. I did not miss those, so thank you.
So yeah, I mean, I hold Solana. I got in a Solana at $24 before the big bounce, right? So I didn't buy Solana at $8 or whatever, like some other people did, because I just don't believe in Solana that much. But I saw that there was a move happening. I got in, got a little piece. I wouldn't, in my personal opinion, would not get rid of all my ETH for Solana. I would hold an equal amount, or I would hold both in my portfolio. Is what I'm saying.
I can't cheat on ETH, so I hold no Solana. Can't cheat on my girl. So well, she told me I tried to open things up, you know what I'm saying? Conversations, and she was like, nah, bro, you're not going outside of the family here. So
Solana's got potential, right? Solana can run up to maybe, over $100 here easy with some marketing dollar. I mean, look how much it's ran. We're not even in the bull market,
it's run like Bitcoin crazy.
Hasn't even happened. Yeah. But a lot of things have ran, right? Just in the past year, we went from literally $1, $20, 20. What is it? $20.
I think about $18
this year,
as low as it got, right? This year, or was it lower than that?
The beginning of this year, where we at? The beginning of this year, we were at
$13, $11. Okay.
$9 when Bitcoin was at 15K.
Okay.
$9. That was the low. Yeah. That was the ultimate low. $9. So it's had a massive run. Obviously, all-time highs were all the way up to $258, right? With a 2.6 billion market cap. Oh, and that's the volume. Sorry, that's not the market cap. Market cap is 78.25 billion. So obviously where we're at right now at 25 billion, if you're saying, well, if we can somewhat match that, right, and reach its market cap again, you get a few X's here and there. And obviously there might be some blow off top, get a little bit more extra momentum in the next bull cycle. It's potential. I see it. I'm holding a small bag of it, but I would not sell all my ETH for
Cheater.
Hey, bro, Solana's better than XRP.
Cheater. Well, Solana, for sure. I mean, well, hold on a second. Wait a minute. I forgot I hold a fat bag of XRP.
What was the other question? It was DOT.
Yeah, I was asking about DOT.
Question. I also hold a small bag of DOT. Haven't really accumulated too much of it in this bull market, in this bear market, I mean. But I have been thinking about it, right? It's at a market cap of 6.4 billion right now. It does have potential to run. I mean, it's had some FUD throughout the bear market.
DOT's gonna run.
DOT's gonna run. It's had some of its FUD. People, jumping out of it because of it. Supply is pretty large, I guess, but it's pretty good in tokenomic wise. I think it's already all the way out, so there's not going to be any like inflation or dumping happening on the community. In that aspect, they're getting a new V2. I believe they're getting a whole new V2 too as well, which will be good in the bull market. Definitely, it has potential to run for sure. Let's see, what was the all-time high? It was like $50.
Oh yeah,
$50 for $5. That's a 10x.
Not a great way to evaluate things, guys. Always.
Yeah, for sure. But I'm saying that's a 10x at like best case scenario, right? Like a 10x would be the best case. You're assuming you're going to recap the all-time highs. That's an assumption. It's a massive assumption. There's no guarantee in that, and that would be about a 5x. So it's not one that's going to make you rich overnight unless you bought a big old bag,
a big old fat bag. Check out this comment. Solana's more likely than ETH to let you in the back door, if you know what I mean. Dude, the comment sections are fantastic, guys. Keep them coming. We love to have fun. Everybody in the chat, we love you guys. We appreciate you for being here. So I think DOT's a good pick for the next run. I don't think that Solana's a bad pick. Oh, there's ETH breaking down, baby.
Yeah, didn't hold it. Gala didn't
Yep.
long that thing. It did not hold.
She's moving
It's
down.
coming down. We'll see if the previous day range holds. If it does, then we might see a bounce. That would be the
All right,
longing opportunity.
so let's see if you pay attention to it, if the previous day holds, if it holds, I think we could long the bounce.
Yeah,
If
like just
if
what we
it
did here, right?
blasts
We brought
through,
them up.
if it blasts through, then
If it blasts through, we
ooh,
have to see a quick recovery back in. Like the next candle up has to push us through. If we break through it, it's okay if we do that. But if we don't, then obviously the previous day low would be the next big target, which would be 1994. After that would be 1985. They're pretty close, so it could just blast right through here and go straight to the week low. And
yeah,
if we lose
I'd be
that, then
surprised
it's gonna
the whole market's going to have to start to shift downward for us to see a decent, move
Hey,
like that.
it's not that big of a move. I mean, we're at 2030 right now. 1994 is not that far.
Yeah,
It
but an
seems like
extra
a long distance because of the chart, but it's
an extra
really not.
20, an extra $100, right, is literally
It's only
5%.
a 1.6% move from
From
there to
where?
this previous day low, from the
Oh, to the
daily
previous
area
day
low.
low. Okay, I thought
Yeah.
you were talking about all the way down to like 1930 or something.
No,
Okay.
1994 from the
Oh, okay.
if we
Yeah.
lose this range's low,
Okay.
the next big target is only 1.6% away, which could definitely happen. Not saying it's going to happen today, but it can definitely we could see a big dump. I mean, never
Well,
know.
I mean,
We'll see.
there's an ETH whale that I want to throw out there that just accumulated $54 million worth of ETH since September. Good God, I wish I accumulated an extra $54 million worth.
Maybe it's
According to
because he hasn't
blockchain,
heard about Solana.
what's that?
Maybe it's because he hasn't heard about Solana.
Maybe he's going to take the whole 31,149 ETH right here and just toss it over into Solana. That's like $55 million. It says that a giant whale spent 10 million USDC to buy 4,865 ETH at $2,056. So let's talk about this real quick, Crusader. Obviously, we know whales do whale things, and this number might be not a huge number for this person, this man, this woman, whatever, that's spending all of this money. But I do like to believe that, especially in the cryptos, a lot of times in the crypto space, even though there's a lot of dumb people that have money, a lot of times in the crypto space, these massive transactions are at least some sort of a temperature gauge for the opportunity that people see. But here's what you have to understand. That same person that spent $55 million, where you maybe you're spending $55,000 or $5,000 or $500 or $50, and you're expecting a 3, 4, 5, 10x or whatever, right? Which a 10x would, I can't see that with ETH. But let's just say you're expecting a 5x, a $55 million position to go up 1.5x, even to go up to 3K. All of the sudden, you're
big
at
number.
you're at $82 million.
Those big time people are not looking for 100x.
No,
They're
they're
not looking for
not. They
1,000x.
don't need.
They don't need a
to.
10x, right? They're looking for
No.
a 3 to 5x best in crypto,
Dude,
right? And that
even
is massive
100%,
amounts of
even
numbers.
100% move. They're looking at this and saying they might literally, like I just said, that up to 3K. They might just have plans. Hey, I know it's going to go to 3K. I'm going to sit $58 million here, or 55 million, or whatever the number is. I'm going to wait till it hits 3K, and I'm going to bail or whatever, because guess what? They can't get those returns in the stock market.
That's
and
right.
They're all but guaranteed to get it over here in crypto as long as they're willing to be patient. And if they got an extra 50. So the other reason that I want you to be cautious when you see these articles about these whales is because they don't have the same expectation as you and I do. If they get it, great. But I believe wholeheartedly that on these massive numbers, they're looking traditionally as, hey, what can I do here? Because we've been so spoiled in crypto. Think about the amount of money. Think about your average position on some of these assets, Crusader. We're at the bottom of the bear. We're not at the bottom right now, but we're in the bear market still, and our positions are crazy low. I'm guessing my average position on ETH is maybe around $400, maybe. Like I'm 500% above that, and the market's still down. So just something to keep in mind, that they don't think the same way as probably you and I do. So,
dude, I think I'm gonna jump into this ETH short. I mean ETH long.
okay.
ETH
You're
is
try to
kind
play
of
the bounce.
is holding, maybe
Do
holding
it
this
quick.
thing here. Is a 1
Do it
minute.
quick. Shout out to
We're
ZoomX.
kind of overbought. I mean oversold here.
You better get it quick, baby.
Let me jump in here.
You better get it quick, baby.
Where we at? Come on.
Green Day Profits with a $20 super chat. Thank you very much, Green Day Profits, as he executes this trade. 20 more slots on the wheel for your boy, who is actually first in the chat today. I told you, bro, I can't always see the first person in the chat. So Green Day Profits, you are the man. Thank you very much for your support. Yes, that is 20 slots on the wheel for Green Day Profits. Thank you, as always, for all of your support, bro. We appreciate you. You are here every single day. All right, what's this position looking like?
I'm gonna see where I'm gonna set my stop loss here. Should have gone with higher leverage. I didn't notice it was only 20x.
Evan Casey says no confirmation. Wait is what he's saying, but we have touched it twice now.
We're breaking below it. Oh, it's all over for us. Oh no! Oh no! We're gonna. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
He's saying wait for some turnaround. A green candle. We had the small green candle, but then we had the red candle. Is this green? What are you on? You're on the 1 minute.
There's the 1 minute.
What's the 3 minute look like?
The 3 minute looked pretty much the same. We're having a we're kind of having the momentum here. The oversold over here on ChartPrime. The momentum coming around. 5 minute, a little bit similar too. Pero it looks like the short might have been the better play.
Dude, somebody shorted the graph 100x. Who? Oof. Hold on. Let me ask. Let me ask this person in the chat.
Let me put in my stop loss.
Yeah, go ahead and put your stop in. Said, yeah, I've entered 100. GRT is the graph for those of you that are wondering. This is an asset that I actually held a decent little bit of last run, took some profits, ran and ran. But GRT is, I think, a solid asset. Why are you 100x shorting? I hope this is a short-term position, because the graph will be one of those assets that I think will run this next bull run again. I'm just curious. Tell me in the chat what the 1%. Okay, 1% of the portfolio, 100x. Stop is negative 0.5%. There we go. Got it. Enigmantis, are you using our code and trading on ZoomX? We hope that you are. It definitely is a way that you can support the channel. So, guys, even if you don't want to compete in the trading competition, I do want to just throw out there that it does. One of the ways that you can support the channel is to trade underneath us. So we'd love for you guys to do that. You can use we've got it pinned in the chat, and it's also in the description as well. So we'd appreciate that. It's definitely. Definitely
I don't know. I think I might switch my stance here on this trade. I think I might bounce on it and go short. It looks like we're breaking out.
Did you already execute the trade?
I did, but it was so
okay,
low.
Well, bail while you can. Midnight. What's the name? Midnight. Hold on a second. Midnight something. Let me see here. Midnight Sapphire. IMX thoughts. This bull, will it shine? Or thank you very much for the super chat. I'm putting you on the wheel 2 times. For those people paying attention, we are putting the names, or for those people that are just coming in or haven't been paying attention, you're getting your name on the wheel. $2,900 is the next game that we're gonna play, a flipper hodl. So appreciate you. Oh, Midnight Sapphire says 2 more USD, so we got him for 4 times on the wheel. Says will it get passed up for the newer models? I will answer that in just a second. Looks like, Crusader, we're gonna go full chat mode today. Maybe kind of change the
we might have to
layout
exit
of the
out
stream
on some of the.
I do want to talk about the Cristiano Ronaldo thing for sure.
We jumped into that short, baby. We
jumped into the short.
69 cents.
That's a good number.
Let's go.
It's a favorite of mine. It's a
$4 now, baby. $4. It's running now.
Too personal.
Let's go. Yeah. It's running now. Let's
Definitely
go.
Definitely a favorite.
It's running, baby. Up $4. Let's get it.
We're up $4, baby. All right. So, do you have thoughts on IMX?
IMX, I am looking into IMX when it comes to the crypto gaming sector. It obviously has been popping off. A lot of people have been talking about it, but its market cap is kind of on the larger side when it comes to these cryptos as well. So can they produce some good stuff? For sure. Could it run? For sure. The question becomes, how long will it run? How big would it go? Are you looking to 10x? Are you looking to 20x, 30x, 50x? That's the kind of question you have to ask yourself when you're building your portfolio. Is like, how much?
IMX is what, immutable X?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. The gaming tokens, I think, are huge opportunity, but I think it's one of those that you get into I think you should have a game plan, period. But I think the gaming tokens are one of those, just personally, that I think, because the games come and go in terms of, hey, this is a winner, this is a loser, this one's hot right now. I've seen the gaming tokens get so hot and so cold so quick that I do want to throw out there. Like, maybe have a real deal, like, game plan when you're getting into those gaming tokens. Just my personal opinion. I could totally be wrong, but
yeah, they bounce pretty quick. Obviously, crypto gaming I'm very bullish on. Is going to eventually have another run. It's having a little run right now in the bear market. Obviously, it's going to have a massive run when more money comes into the space and the bull market really kicks off. I would just wait if you are looking to get, maybe just wait for like a little bit of a pullback. It's only a matter of time before we have some type of pullback in the market, and maybe that's the day you get a little bit of a cheaper buy, and then because some of these have been running pretty hard in the last couple of weeks.
Yeah, for sure. Smash the like if you haven't already, fam. We got 71 people in here. We love each and every one of you. If you're in the live chat on mobile and you're trying to figure out how the heck do I hit the like, just X out of live chat, smash the like, come right back in.
Up $8, baby. Let's go.
Let's go. Up on a trade.
It's dropping now, baby. When are we taking profits? Well, I don't know how much, baby.
I don't know how much of a trade you got in here.
Baby. We're dropping.
Let me see how much of a trade
we're dropping.
$11,000.
We're sinking like the Titanic right now, baby. Let's get it.
Well, it's a short, so it's good. So
yeah, for sure. But my stop loss is, my take profit is here. Do we move this bad boy down or what? My take profit is basically this VWAP line right here, 2019.
How much of a?
It's like about $30 or so. I think I might move it down just a little bit closer to that previous day low. Where is it? Where is the previous day low?
Let's get a profitable trade in here, though. Whatever we do, let's get a profitable trade in here.
Yeah, as we get a little bit deeper into the trade, if it does continue to go our way, I will move our stop loss closer. I mean, worst case, we just get stopped out and here at no profit. But if we do drop lower, for sure. Still up $17. It's having a little bit of a little bounce right now.
A little bit of a pullback. A little bit of a bounce. As a gamer, Enrique Suave says, as a gamer, I would stay away from AAA studios that are going to associate with crypto for many reasons, mostly because the games they're making right now suck. Illuvium, now, I'm not saying they're a AAA gaming studio, or I don't actually know.
I think they are.
Are they?
Or at least they're creating a AAA game.
They're trying to create the AAA game. My thought process is who I think is going to be the big winner is going to be the existing big dogs that are going to delve into crypto, like we were talking about.
Up $30, baby. Let's go.
That's what I think is going to be the Rockstar Games, the
yeah, GTA creators, Rockstar.
I'm just using them as an example, right? Like a big gaming studio. Who is it that does Fortnite?
I have no idea what they're. I don't play Fortnite.
Okay, well, the Call of Duty, the big Call of Duty is
it's right? Active. It used to be Activision. I don't know if it's still them.
Oh, they go back and forth with the different.
They had Treyarch. They have Activision.
Those, as they jump into crypto, I think will do really well. That's just a personal.
Son of a! I think this trade's starting to turn on me. It bounced right on the freaking VWAP band, like I said.
Our take profit.
My initial take profit was right here, and it literally bounced on it and it came right back up.
Good God!
Well, so hopefully it has a little bit of retest here. If not, might not go our way, bro.
If not, where it's going back the other direction.
It looks like it's going up the other way right now. Yeah.
Well, I mean, we could take profits at $9 and just hey, profitable trade, but your call. All right, so let's see here. I do want to talk about, it's 3:41. We got a couple things that we want to talk. Crusader, you were talking about Chainlink. We were talking. So I mentioned at the start of the show. Are we going to play Flipper Hodl or no?
Oh, we can. Yeah, it's right here.
Let's pull up Flipper Hodl. Hey, every dollar you put in on Super Chats gets you a spot on the wheel. We're going to spin that wheel. Somebody's going to come on and play Flipper Hodl.
It's going to be 29 show longer, bro. We're doing too many things.
That's
we're
fine.
Trading.
That's fine. We can make the show today a little bit longer. I can't go crazy long. I've got to take my daughter to swim lessons, but we can go long today. No worries. So chat, lucky you get to hang out with your boys on Crypto Wars even longer today.
We're just too good, man. We do too many things. 1 hour is not enough for us.
All right, so chat, throw some numbers in there. Now, the only difference, if you've never seen us play this game, is there's no background music right now, and we don't have the we are going to be doing oh God.
Oh man. No bueno.
Tell me you have a tight stop. Tell me you have a tight stop.
Yeah, it's like $28 loss.
Okay, cool.
Stop loss.
So want to throw out there that the only difference is in between the picking of the cases, we have questions, and those questions allow a multiplier of a percentage of what you can earn. So just letting you guys know, we're not going to play with the questions today. Candidly, we didn't set up the questions. We just wanted to model this in case anybody hadn't seen us play that.
36. So we're gonna
all right, we'll do
that.
36 as the keeper case. That is the keeper case, no pun intended. Gazgano says 2. So we're from 1 cent to 1945 right now. Oh my God. Gazgano. All right, so want to throw out there. We've only got it up to 1900 right now. The next time we play, it's going to be $1,000 more than that. So just throwing that out there. It's going to be 2,900 and some change.
Yeah.
Okay, so number three. I kind of
okay.
$250. Okay,
it's
still on the left-hand side. Don't love it, but
for sure.
Let's go with case 25.
25. 55.
There we go. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. Crusader, big case.
Next? All right, I'm picking 14. $200, baby. Let's go.
We can do with that. That's left side. And let's see here.
29. Caffeinated crypto.
29.
Dropped $2 super chat.
Okay, 29.
29. $60, baby. Let's go. Left side.
Nice. Let's see how well we can do. As
$287. First offer on the table.
Okay, so let's talk about this real quick. Let's talk about
even
this.
Though we took a hit.
Right? So somebody comes on the show, right? They did it. Let's just say they're dropping a couple dollar super chats here and there, whatever. They come on the show. They've been on for 15 seconds, and somebody's offering them $300. Now, most people are not going to walk away. $287. Most people are not going to walk away. But this game's extremely hard as well, right? These bank offers are, I get it, wait longer than just right off the rip, but 15 seconds for $287 isn't that terrible either. Just throwing it out there. But we're gonna flip. We're gonna flip for sure.
I'm gonna check in on this trade real quick here. Yeah, we had a little bounce. Looks like we're having a little bit of rejection here before the stop loss, which is good. Hopefully we keep coming back down. And we drop like the Titanic, baby. Let's sink this bad boy. Hopefully it turns back around.
Hopefully it turns back around.
Let's flip it. Let's keep on
let's
going.
Flip it. All right, chat. Keep playing with it. Crypto Gamer said 40.
40.
Left side. Crusader can't figure out boxes, but
here we go. 700. Ugh, not great.
Not a great one.
After this, we'll talk about Chainlink. I had a few things to say about Chainlink.
Yeah, let's go with case 12.
Case 12. Boom.
God, 2 in a row. 775 and 850 right next to each other. Or no, there's one in between. You pick.
I'm picking one here. Let me see. Name and número 5. 300. Oh god. Well, it's not terrible.
Not
8.
8. 8.
Ooh.
Listen, this is why it ain't like you got some educated guessing going on here. We are throwing numbers out there that's just difficult. All right,
44. I'm going for 44.
Okay.
425. Jeez. Bank offer didn't drop too much, even though the round wasn't terrible. We want to see more of these on the left side taken out.
Awful, to be clear.
I mean, they were all pretty much in the mid to low hundreds. They're still big numbers, right? On the thing up to 1945. So we're gonna flip this. Obviously, we're not gonna take this off.
Iconic Crypto says 31.
31. Let's get 31.
Low number. Left side. Come on, left side. Left side.
800. Oh man,
we are getting slaughtered.
This game has been terrible. Let me tell you.
Slaughtered. 22.
Right. 22. 200. Okay, left side. Left side. That was on the left side.
We are getting absolutely
18. I'm gonna pick 18. $45.
There we
baby.
go.
Let's go.
There we go. 19.
19.
Oof. Oh my God! I didn't pick that one. That's Green Day Profits. That's definitely that was on him. Just throwing it out there. All right.
What's next? Chat. Drop us another number.
Let's go, Michael Jordan, baby. 23.
It was like
we are getting
something.
Slaughtered.
Offers dropping a little bit lower again. 257. Still not great, but we're gonna flip that. We're gonna keep on rolling, baby.
Let's flip
right. If we're playing the real game, we would have a question, and we would be able to get it right, get a multiplier. Obviously, we're not doing that.
Well, we could throw in. You and I could throw in a question.
No. Let's not prolong this any longer. 35, baby. I'm going to 35. Let's go. 35.
35 was $35.
That's right.
35 was $35.
Yep.
Okay. 47.
$12, baby. Let's go.
There we go. Somebody else said 11.
11. Give me the little numbers, baby. Let's go.
There we go. Now we're having a round.
Let's go. This is a good
Enrique
one.
Suave said 42.
42. 100, baby. Let's go.
And then Crypto Pollo said 17.
17. Also a low number. Let's go. It's $5.
Now we're up to
Offers
about
back up. $298,
$300.
baby.
Still a lot on the
$298.
board. So let's keep going. Let's keep going.
Let's keep it going. Let's check on the trade real quick one more time. See where we're at. Okay, we had a little bit of a bounce. We had a little bit of rejection. See where we're up. We're still up on the trade right now, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. We're up on the trade. We're not losing money today, baby. We're doing nothing but making money.
7.
7. Come on, 7. Oh, 575.
All right.
Not great.
9. Green Day Promise says 9.
Número 9. 300.
CryptoPollo
Okay.
says 24. Good Lord.
24.
Freaking crushed.
Oh
my gosh. Gazgano says 8, but I think that one already got taken.
8 got taken out already.
Yeah,
we can do 10. Let's just do 10.
Hit it.
$20, baby.
Good Lord, man.
I'm on fire, bro. My 3 picks have been low numbers.
This has been ugly. 13.
13. Come on, 13. Also low number. Let's go.
All right, we're up over $300. Let's look at this. How many on the left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11. There's 12 on the left side, and we got 3, 6, 9, 11 on the right. All 11 on the right are higher than the bank offer. All 12 on the left are lower than the bank offer. Just seem, throwing it out there. Enrique Suave said the lower numbers seem to be in the lower right. Listen, it doesn't definitely work that way. It literally just randomizes it for sure.
No 2 games are the same. One game maybe you find a little something happening in one game, but trust me, you got to get real lucky with that because it's just completely sporadic.
All right, so let's flip it.
All right, let's flip this bad boy. What are we picking next, boys? What are we picking next? Let's pick 41. I'm gonna go for 41 here. 41, $10, baby. Let's go.
Good pick. Hey, let's go with number 15.
15.
Ooh.
Man,
that was a hammer.
Yeah, that crushed my $10 take. Let's get 27 here. 27. Ooh, 450.
Case 1.
Yikes. 1. Come on, low number. 175. It was on the left side. So
38.
38. Ooh, let's go. 50 cents, 50 baby.
Cents. Dude, there's still so much.
329. Bank offer is going up, baby. Even though we got some big numbers on that last round, the bank offer is still going up.
I think the strategy is
17.
I think the strategy here, as we play this more, is let it get. Let's get a lot of stuff off the board, but at some point, I think when there's still a good numbers, you got to take the bank offer, dude. Even as much as I want somebody to win this whole thing, it's so freaking hard, dude. So $329, we'll flip. Because we want to see how well we can, how well we can
Chat
do here.
Says CryptoPost says 37. 15 baby.
Bucks.
Let's go.
Okay. All right.
What are we picking next? Boys? Let's go.
Here.
Somebody said 21. Okay, 21. $3. Let's go.
Okay. Looking good. Somebody else said 28.
28. I think we got 28.
No, we haven't.
550. Okay, not terrible.
Yeah. Well, ugly, but not terrible.
What are we doing next? Let's take this number 4 out of the way. We've already got all of these. Let's get number 4.
Look what you did! You were on a streak and you just killed it.
Well, we still got 1945.
CryptoPollo said, "I picked the winning case, bros. Don't worry."
That's right. 1945 is in 36, baby. Let's go.
CryptoPollo says, "I kicked the."
All right. What's next? What's next, guys? I'm not picking anymore.
46.
46. 500. Bank offer dropped from 329, 314. Still a great offer. 314.
Still a great offer. $314. Somebody
minutes.
come on, playing. Yep, exactly. All right, let's flip it.
All right, let's go back and check on this trade real quick. See how we're doing. Okay, we're still up $5, baby. We're still up. Our entry point is acting as some level of resistance here. Let's keep it that way, boys. Come on, let's drop this bad boy.
Kind of diddling in the middle. And for those of you that are just tuning in, if you drop a super chat, every $1 will get your name on the wheel once for a super chat. You'll be able to come on. If your name gets spun on the wheel, you're going to be able to come on and play this game. The next time we play, it's going to be for a little bit over $2,900. Just throwing, I think it's like $2,907.
Yeah. Basically $2,900.
$2,900. Yeah.
Green Day Promise 45. Let's go.
All right. Now we're talking. All right,
let's give some more numbers. Somebody said 48.
Oh no! Oh,
what is the bank offer gonna be now? We still got 1,100 here. We still got 1,100.
I know we do.
But
case number 6.
6. Come on, low number. 625. Okay, we still got the penny, bro. We still got the
I
dollar, the $2,
know.
the $7,
I
25
know.
bucks, 40 bucks. Ay, ay, ay. Somebody give me a low number here. Come
Oh,
on. Come
32.
on. What?
32.
32?
Yeah.
Oof.
Oh, $10 super chat. Clay
Let's
the Great.
go.
Thank you for the super chat, Clay. I'm going to get your name on the wheel 10 times. Clay the Great, putting you on as we
All
speak.
right. I'm gonna take 43. I'm gonna take 43 here. Come on, 43. $7, baby. Let's go.
Dude, but look how much
$7.
the bank offer dropped,
Dude,
bro.
$100. It dropped
Over, well,
100.
yeah. What was the last one? 314.
314
So
was
it's
the
been as
last one.
high as what? 329.
329
All the way
is the
down. Okay,
highest.
so let's
Yeah.
talk about this. There's 5 on the left side that literally barely buy you a freaking cheeseburger. Okay, at this point in time, 2023. Okay, and you've got 3 over on the right that would be nice to take. You got $212 sitting in front of you. You come on the show. Let's just say you've spent $10 in super chats, $20. Let's just say you've even spent $50 in super chats. You get over 400% and walk away right now with $212. What would you put the $212 into right now, Crusader? You've only got $212 to your name for crypto. What are you putting it into?
Okay, if I only had $200 I got for free here, mind my don't mind my little kid screaming in the background. They're crying for this little bank offer. But if I had $212 that I could take right now, I would definitely buy me some low cap gem. I would probably try to divide it up, maybe
You're going to
into like
divide $212 up. You're not
no,
just
no,
going
no.
to
So
hammer it.
no, not just one, not just one. I would probably divide it up into like 2 or 3 different assets, maybe put like 50, $75 in each one. Like I'm talking about extremely low
Like
cap,
super
like
low.
yeah, like 5 million to 10 million market cap and
Okay.
write it out. Maybe even a meme coin or something and try to see if I can hit a banger.
Iconic crypto, $10. Well, hold on a second. What's 10 CAD? Is that Canadian? What is 10 CAD? Hold on, I gotta check this
That's
out. I gotta
Canadian,
check
bro.
this out. I gotta
They're trying
verify
to
here.
scam you.
How much is 10 CAD in USD? Hold on a second. $7.36. Shout out to you. We'll give you 8 on it just for tossing us some Canadian money. We'll give you $8. We'll round up for you. Thank you,
Let's
Iconic
go.
Crypto. We love you. We appreciate you. We see you in here a lot. So $8 for Iconic.
Somebody in the
Iconic
chat
Nick,
said
I think, or
30,
something.
30.
Iconic,
What was that?
Iconic Nick. Is that what it is?
Yeah,
Okay.
I kind of crypto Nick. Somebody
Iconic
said in the chat 33. Let's get the oh my.
Did it just get
33 was
ugly?
the 1100, bro.
Oh, see, this is why you take the bank offer, by the way, because unless these picks get great right now, this is
Well, you
about to
never know.
get
Maybe
freaking ugly.
36 is the $700. It's still
You
better
don't
than the
know,
bank
but
offer,
that's
but you
the
don't
thing.
know.
You don't
People
know.
are saying 26. People are
Okay,
saying
hit it.
26. All right, 26. Come on, low number. Yes,
Okay.
baby. Let's go. It's the $1, baby. We got the $1.
That 36 could also be that penny. Let's talk about that.
Let's hope.
And I'm not paying a gas fee to send somebody a penny. I got to tell you.
All right, guys, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more cases here. Let's pick another one. 16, 20, 34, 30, 39. What are we picking?
$5 super chat. Caffeinated Crypto said, "What happens if the person is busy and is drawn? What's the time to claim?" We said that.
So
by
we
the way,
haven't said any
Crusader?
specific rules. Normally, if another content creator comes on, they play, right? The money gets donated. We spin the wheel and we give the money away to somebody that was on the wheel by spinning it, and then we'll give them a few days to claim it.
Yeah.
Other way is we spin the wheel for everybody that's on there to come onto the show. Obviously, we have to get in contact.
We'll do everything we can to get in contact with
days.
you quickly.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that's the best, because I don't want to tell you like what happens if it's somebody that we get a hold of. They're like, hey, I can come on, but I need 2 more days because I'm out of town, or this, that, or third. We will do everything we can, and it seems like the people that give the super chats are people that we see in here all the time anyway. And I understand you guys can't miss or can't see every stream, but we'll do everything we can. And apologize for getting away from the crypto chat, guys, but we're having fun with this. We want to be able to give away money. We want people, as the bull run goes, dude. This thing's gonna get nuts. I'm telling you right now, we're gonna get a ton of people in here absolutely playing. That number is gonna get high. I want to give away a bunch of money for Christmas is what I want to do. You know what we should do for Christmas? Whatever that number is, right? We should rework the math on the coding for Christmas and make it literally like, I'm talking about whoever comes on for that Christmas special, it is a Christmas freaking special. Like, we could rework the math on it to really make it a Christmas special.
Oh yeah,
for
yeah.
someone.
It's just
That's
got
what
a
I'm saying.
math, but for sure, if it's
Yeah,
possible, then we'll do it.
yeah.
Somebody said dirty 30, so let's go for 30. Come
30.
on, baby, let that be the
Left
penny.
side,
Let that
left
be the
side,
penny.
left side.
$25. Okay, now that's
Okay.
good. That's good. That's
All
good.
right, left
We're
side,
still
left
looking for
side,
that
left
penny
side,
though.
left side, left side, left side.
What's
Oh,
next, guys?
dude.
What's next? We got
I think
16, 20, 34, and 39. And
I
then we'll
think
jump back into the crypto
I
chat when we're
think
done here.
man, they're all
Oof.
all
Oof.
remember the thing that you were telling me, Crusader, as you were like
Uh,
analyzing, like trying to figure out, is there there's no like rhyme or
yeah,
reason for
it
but
definitely
remember
doesn't
what you were
work.
telling me?
Yeah.
It's not gonna work, and it doesn't work because I'm
Crypto
looking
Poil
at
says 39.
oh god.
Oh, let's
Oh,
go.
there
We got
it
the
is.
penny, baby.
Oh boy. Oh boy. All
Oh,
right.
here we go. We got
Okay.
one more case, and then
Oh, Dave Digital says
34.
34.
34. Come on,
Come on, left
come on,
side.
$2. Come on, $2. Oh,
Oh no.
675, dude. Oh my god, this bank
Ooh.
offer is dropping like the
Hey,
Titanic.
I'm gonna tell you for real right now. If this was me playing,
Yeah,
like me personally playing, I'm
yeah.
taking the 165 at this point.
I probably would too.
Because, dude, I don't
Dude,
want to come on for
$2 or
$2. I don't want to come
$40.
on for $40. Like, people have won 55 and $35 or what. Like, yeah, okay, cool. But like, okay, a couple $100, I can buy some crypto with that. Bang it out. Like the show
Yeah.
didn't go my way, but we're gonna flip because we want to see if we can get the
No,
700.
run it through. We're gonna play it through.
But now it gets interesting.
We got to pick one more
We're gonna pick
case, and then we're
one
doing
case
the flipping thing. So
and pray to God the one case at a
get the
minimum is
$2,
that
bro.
$2.25. That's
Yes.
what we want this case to be. So
16 or 20, guys. 16 or 20. 16
chat.
or 20.
16 or 20, 16 or 20, 16 or 20. Toss them into the chat right now. Let's see what we're going to end up with on this bag. 16 or 20. And super chats, guys. Every dollar puts it on the wheel.
Come on, guys. Let us know. Let us know. 16 or 20. Oh, Crypto Poil and Green Day Prophecy.
Now, hold on a second. Let me just tell you something. They're both saying 20. They've both given us terrible picks as well.
Well,
before.
everyone's saying 20 now. Everyone's
let's go
saying
with 20.
20.
I'm just messing around. Go with 20.
Come
Don't be
on, 20.
$700.
$2, baby. $2. Come on, baby. Oh, it was the $40, dude. It was the $40. So you're either walking away with 225 or 700
terrible,
macaroons right
This
now.
is so terrible.
I'm gonna put it in the chat. I'm gonna put it in the poll. I'm gonna make
Are you gonna put a poll on here?
On here.
This
Are
is
we
so
keeping it
terrible.
or are we flipping it?
Oh my god.
I got to know. I got to know.
Oh my god. So this is stressful, and I gotta tell you.
Dude, did we ever even talk about Ronaldo and the
No, I was going to talk about it in just a second. As you're putting the poll together, I'll talk about it. Cristiano Ronaldo. I'm going to pull
just
this
take my
up.
screen off. Yeah.
Yeah, I got you. Cristiano Ronaldo is getting sued as he's putting this. Listen, guys, make sure to vote on the. Make sure to vote on the poll. Okay, so check this out. Cristiano Ronaldo class action suit for $1 billion. The famous soccer star. A lot of people probably know who he is. He's one of the wealthiest. I think he's the first person ever to become a billionaire as a soccer player. He's getting sued for $1 billion for promoting Binance.
Bro, this guy's on top of this is the thing that pisses me off, bro. These people are promoting something, right? They're getting paid, they're getting sponsored, whatever. But
a massive exchange has been very, very
but how can you expect this person to go and run an entire scan of what is happening in that business, illicit activity or not? What is this guy, a detective? This guy's Batman or something? Who's gonna hire to run an entire scan? Why, if there was illicit activity happening in Binance, isn't that the government's job to go figure that out? Isn't that the SEC's job to go figure it out? Right? Why is it falls on the hands of the people that do business?
He wasn't promoting a scam.
Yeah, he was just like, I'm sponsored by Binance. Like, this is the exchange. Like, go check it out. Whatever. Like, what?
I can't believe that this will hold up. Now, he might get a fine.
Hold on. Let's get better. FTX donated money to the Democratic Party. Tons of millions and millions of dollars. Ain't a peep anywhere about that money. About those Congress people that were sponsored.
They ain't giving that back.
And they're not gonna give it back, right? But ain't no lawsuits to the Democratic Party for taking money from a fraudster from literally a rug pull that rug pulled people for billions of dollars. Ain't no talk about that. We're about to get stopped out, by the way.
I was literally about to say, somebody said, exit your trade, boys. We're about to get stopped out anyway. It's about to,
Yeah,
there it is,
it's
stopped
over.
out.
It's over.
Wah, wah, wah.
It's over. Time to go along, baby.
All right. So, what is the chat saying for the poll? And do we have a number of votes, or like how many votes do we have in there?
Okay, they're saying keep it. 77% of people are saying keep it right now. I don't know how many votes it's been.
Okay, but 77% of people
71.
are saying.
All right, keep voting, guys. 2 more minutes, and we're gonna take the poll off. So 67. 2 more minutes.
So bottom line, somebody in the chat said the best. So Clay the Great said the best they can do is hire lawyers to do some digging before they endorse anything and have the other party pay for it. Okay, fine. Let's just say you do that. Let's say he did that. Maybe he did his due diligence. The reality is, on its face, FTX supposedly, unless they knew, looked good enough to buy naming rights of a massive studio or a stadium for Mr. Wonderful to endorse, for the Democratic Party and the Republican Party, because he did give money to both, but it was more heavily on the Democratic side. Whatever, it doesn't matter. But giving money to the government, they were okay with that. So if all of those things are okay on its face and they did their due diligence, how do you expect a soccer star who's just saying, hey, yeah, I like crypto, Binance, he's overseas, so of course Binance is what he's going to be promoting. Dude, I just can't see. Now, what I do think will happen, though, I think that he will get fined. I think that it might feel like a slap on the wrist to him, but I'll bet it'll be millions of dollars. I'll bet he gets hit for millions of dollars. I don't know I don't think it says how much he actually got paid for the sponsorship from them, but I would venture to say that he loses a massive portion of what he got paid as part of this, if not even as much as, or even a little bit more. It's insanity to me, man.
It's ridiculous, dude. It's ridiculous because nobody's capable of doing it. You know why they're doing this? They're doing this so they can scare people, right? So they can scare people and companies on, oh, don't associate yourself with crypto, because you just never know. When in 2 years something comes out that they did wrong 2 years ago, then you're gonna get hit with a massive fine. You're gonna get a lawsuit and all that stuff. Blah, blah, blah. It's like, how can you predict the future, bro? How can you investigate the insides of a company that's doing illicit activities unless you flat out knew they were a scam? Like, there's no way. So why are you getting hit with these fines? But that's all they're doing. They're just trying to fear people out of the crypto space.
Of course. So and like Swashbuckling Scallywag says, so it's a crime to be sponsored? Like, that's what we're saying. It is insanity. You are actively taking money from someone to promote something, put their name on, put their logo on your jersey. Maybe you talk about it in press conferences, blase, blase, blah. But if on its face everything looks to be legitimate, and to your knowledge everything is legitimate, and you are just taking a sponsorship, just like, listen, we take sponsorships on the show, right? We don't get many, but we take sponsorships on the show. We'd like more, so shout out if you know somebody. But the reality is, like, we don't just pick any freaking thing out there because we want to protect the people watching us. But when you're talking about the largest crypto exchange in the world, like, I wouldn't even if Binance reached out to us right now, bro, and be like, hey, we want to sponsor you. Hell yeah, where do I sign? Like, it's the most real. So they go after somebody that's got tons and tons of freaking money, somebody that can pay a fine, somebody that's going to be in the news, somebody that everybody's going to know. Dude, hit our stop and then dumped.
Hit the stop right here, and boom, instant back dump city, bro. Dump city. I'm telling you, they're looking for me, bro. It's like they know my account. They know my account.
Maybe I should start trading, because this has been definitely happening a lot. Going straight to the stop and then going the other direction.
I messed up where I moved my take profit. My take profit was right here at this 2019. I moved it a little bit lower, thinking we're going to drop lower, which we probably are now, right? We're probably going to dump right through this thing at this point. We would have gotten take profit here. We would have taken $30, and then it would have moved back up. So that was my fault on that point right there. But dude, this is ridiculous.
All right, let's get to it, bro. Let's do the damn thing.
All right.
It's either going to be how much?
61% of people are saying keep it. We're closing out the poll right now.
Okay, we're closing the poll. 61% of people are saying keep it. Now, the opportunity on Flipper Hodl right now is either going to be what? $2, or is it like $2?
$2 or $700?
Or $700.
That's right.
Now put yourself in the shoes of the person on the show right now. We're playing
Bro, this
this.
is terrible.
This sucks.
Terrible. This
sucks.
sucks. Massive
Especially,
sucks.
oh my God. Especially coming on here, like, you know, come on, have a good time, enjoy their time with us.
Those bank offers, baby.
Those bank offers are looking more and more freaking good.
Right now, I'd be like, I
as we
could have
get-
taken that $389 right now, man.
I know.
All right, let's keep it. Let's see what happens.
All right, well, you got to show it on the screen. Hold on. You
Oh.
don't even have it pulled up.
Pull it up for me.
There we go. Okay,
right,
here we go. So it's either $2.25 or $700. 61% of the people said to keep it. So chat, I just want to throw out there, this is on you. Okay, so either you are the winner or you are the loser. Let's do it. What do we got? Oh my God.
The $2, bro. Oh my. This would be gut-wrenching right now.
Chat, look yourselves in the mirror and remind yourselves this was not a good day. Okay.
But this is why we do these playthroughs, right? This is why we play this game for free on the show, just to have some entertainment, so that you guys can get experience watching how the show can quickly turn from a great round to a terrible round, from a great offer to walking away.
Green Day Prophet. Yeah, you're 100% right. Green Day Prophet says this was the first. Oh, no, not that. Green Day Prophet says this was the first time it sucked to keep the case. That's not true, because Bullish wanted to, hold on. Did Bullish switch it?
I don't remember.
Did they make Bullish switch? No.
No, I think they kept it.
Whatever they did, he wanted to do something different, and the chat said to I swear he kept it.
I think so too.
He wanted to switch it.
I think
he wanted to switch it, and it didn't work out. It didn't work out for him either. And statistically, like we said from the show 21, I don't know if it only works when there's 3 options or however it works. But
dude, I'm gonna jump into another short. Baby. I'm doing it. We came back up. We came back up here. We're retesting this again after we dumped. We're probably gonna get rejected here. Okay, we're gonna probably start forming a downtrend. I'm gonna jump into the trade.
Blockchain Bonehead said, I said change because I always do the opposite of what I think.
But you thought about it, so how was that the opposite?
I'm just trying to figure out that chat. Like, I said change because I always do the opposite of what I think. Well, if you thought it, then okay, got it. I'm picking it up. I got it. All right, guys. So yeah, this was you're gonna enter a short here real quick.
I'm already in.
Oh, you're already in. Okay, cool. Well, chat, we love you guys. Tomorrow, so a couple house cleaning things just real quick before you guys jump off. Tomorrow,
this trade's not going well already. Jeez.
Trading Wars tomorrow, 2:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure that you're on here. We've got everybody live trading for some money. If you guys have not used our link to sign up, listen, even if you just want to casually trade, both teams are down right now. So somebody's going to win $1,000 without having to do a whole lot of freaking work. So throwing it out there, make sure you sign up, use our link. It is another way that you can support the show as well. Come have some fun with us as we trade. We'll continue to do the super chats as we figure out who our next sponsor for the show is going to be, or at what day we're going to do said show. We want somebody to come on here and win some big money. And again, the numbers on the small end are going to continue to get bigger as well, because the number on the big end is going to be $1,000 higher than we just showed. So if also last reminder, NFTs, guys, they're 0.1 Ethereum. They are 0.1. It gives you an automatic chance on the wheel. Hey, think about this, Crusader. If they buy one and it's me or you or the winner, so a 25% chance, and they come on, the first bank offer is going to pay it back. Legitimately, the first bank offer will pay that back.
Yeah, if they take the first bank offer, they literally
take the first bank offer, so they literally can come on, get the NFT, get all the goodies that come with it, and get their money back. So just throwing it out there. Obviously, you know, that's just a thought.
And just want to throw it out there. Jump into the Discord, guys. If you're not in the Discord already, if you want to participate in this game, you want to stay in touch with us, the best way is on Discord. Obviously, we're building up the community. We're talking about building portfolios. We're talking about flip or hodl. We're talking about trading. Jump in there, get excited, jump into the Discord, guys. It's free. Hang out with the community, get along with some people, get prepared for this bull run, because it's gonna be crazy. I'm actually gonna have to flip this trade into a long, bro. This thing,
dude, you're like
got like ADHD trading.
No.
ADHD trading. This is bipolar trading.
Bipolar trading. Maybe that should be the name of the show. Bipolar trading. Instead of
Bipolar
crypto
trading.
wars, we can be bipolar.
I'm gonna
trading.
tell you why. I'm gonna tell you why. Look, this
People's
is what I'm gonna
feelings are
tell
going to
you.
get hurt about that.
It's
Though. We probably shouldn't
because
oh, it's
on the
because
15 minute, we dropped back down here to this VWAP band. We bounced off. We have a swing failure pattern here. We're building a green candle, another green candle on the 15 minute. And we're re-entering this range. I think this could lead us to like kind of similar to when on Monday when they were on the show trading, we had something very similar happen, and then we just started moving for the rest of the day to the upside. So I think something similar might be happening here. We literally almost got stopped out, and then we're bouncing back. Hopefully, we get back to our break-even point. I can jump out of this trade, and yeah, we can go long on this thing.
Crypto Pollo said, I gave you guys the unfi long. I'm trying to get you in profit. Yeah, I know. We're trying to get us in profit.
We need all the help
too,
we can. We're terrible.
You know what? We're having fun. That's why we have Trading Wars. That's why we have the experts come on. Make sure to sign up, guys. We love you. You could have been anywhere on a Wednesday. Just today, Wednesday. Yeah, today's Wednesday. You could have been anywhere on a Wednesday, but you are hanging out here with your boys at Crypto Wars. So yeah, we love you guys. Question everything.
Trust nothing.
And until next time, HODL.
Like it's hot.
We'll see you soon.